Okay, this is Chapter 9, Question 12. For this one, the first thing we want to do is get the information set up into a table so that we can properly count what is going on. So the main thing is to look over the question to see that it's talking about blue marbles and red marbles. So color, the red and the blue is two of the qualities we want to keep track of. And then the question's also asking about even and odd. So we want to keep track of how many evens we have, how many odds we have. So we'll start with looking at even and odds up here. Now you could have put them over here. The way you set up this table is not specific, but I'm going to go with the evens in this column, the odds in that, and then I'm going to talk about red marbles here and blue marbles in this row. So how many even red marbles are there? Well, they're numbered 1 through 4, so it's 2, 4. There are 2 even red marbles. The odds 1 and 3 are odd numbers, so there are 2 odd red marbles. The total comes across here is 4, and that's what they tell us. There's 4 red marbles. For the blue, we're told that there are 8 of them, and so we've got 2, 4, 6, 8. 4 even numbered blue marbles. And 1, 3, 5, and 7 gives us 4 odd numbers that are blue. 4 plus 4 is 8. That accounts for all 8 marbles. So if we do totals down this way, 2 plus 4 is 6. 2 plus 4 is 6. So there are 6 even numbers, 6 odd numbers. And if we total across, 6 plus 6 is 12. And 4 plus 8 is also 12, which is important. We've counted everything appropriately. Okay, all that was just to get set up to do the problem. So the first question, the A part, conditional probability, is asking what's the probability that we get an odd number given that we have a blue marble. So we know we have a blue marble, haven't seen the number yet, so we have a blue marble, we're in this row. So that tells us that we're doing it out of a total of 8 marbles. The odds is what we're looking for, so there are 4 odds in this row, 4 out of 8. There's our probability. Let's reduce that because 4 goes into both of these. 4 goes into 4 once, 4 goes into 8 twice. 1/2 is our probability. Again, I always like you to write them as a decimal and a percentage so you can see the 3 ways that that number appears, even though the answer in the back of the book says 1/2. 0.5, and then turning that to a percentage, that's going to give us our 50%. The B question asks a similar thing, but in reverse order. So what's the probability we get a blue marble given that we know it's odd? Now watch how this is different. The difference is what we know is we've got an odd, so we're dealing with the column right here. There's a total of 6 that we're dealing with, so we'll put that in the bottom. And then the probability we're looking for is to get a blue. That's these 4 right here. There's 4 blues in this column. 4, 6. That's our probability. Let's reduce it because 2 goes into both of these. 4 divided by 2 is 2. 6 divided by 2 is 3. 2/3 as a decimal is 0.667. Just plug it into your calculator, 2 divided by 3. And turning that into a percentage, multiply by 100, moves the decimal over 2 places, 66.7%. That's conditional probability with the table approach.